Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful tall vase, which you can decorate either with silk flowers. You can check out my other videos to see all the different ways you can make beautiful paper flowers. So be as creative as you can be, and if you wouldn't mind, in the comments below, write down how you decide to decorate your beautiful vase. Can't wait to hear from you. Happy folding. To begin this beautiful vase, you'll want a hardcover book of about 200 pages. To begin, it's really just a combination of two different folds. So this vase is beautiful and easy. So the first fold is you're going to take the bottom right corner and fold it up towards the gutter to form a triangle. Then you're going to go ahead and fold that again up into the gutter. Almost like you're folding a paper airplane. And then you're going to turn the page. Now, as you can see here, you're going to have this little flap. You're going to fold that down, and then you're going to fold that little triangle you just folded inside. So that's your first fold. The second fold is a half fold. You're just going to take the paper and fold it right into the gutter, like so. And this is going to form the shape of the vase. As you can see, it's a tall vase and then comes right out at the end, which gives it a nice, sexy silhouette. So I'll show you again. Bottom right, fold into the gutter to form a triangle. Fold again as if you're making a paper airplane. Go ahead, turn the page. Fold the tab down, and then fold it inside. And then go ahead and fold your next page in half. And that's the entire pattern. Bottom right into the gutter, fold over, turn the page, fold the tab down, fold it inside, and then half. And you'll continue this pattern until you have it as fat as you want, or you go through all your pages. That part's really completely up to you, but you can already see you're starting to form this beautiful vase. Please stay tuned to the end of the video so I can show you how to decorate. Once you're done folding your vase, it's going to look nice and beautiful and full like this. Now it's time to start the decorating. So I'm going to take a piece of ribbon and go right around right here. I'm going to use a hot glue gun. I'm going to go ahead and glue that down. Just like so. And you can use anything you want for this, or you can skip this step altogether. That's totally up to you. Ribbon right there, touch. I'm going to put that little pearl right here. Just gives it a nice finished touch. And then go ahead and stand it up, and then you can start decorating it. How you decorate it is totally up to you. You could use paper flowers, you could use silk flowers. I'm going to start by adding my leaves. You can glue them in, or you can just place them right between the pages and they kind of hold just like so. So I'm going to continue decorating this with flowers, and then at the end I'll show you how it turned out. So happy decorating.